a small tutorial on how to use the smAsh forUm. I don't know if you're used to using web message boards. A little on my background is when I say I was getting in trouble on social media before there was such a thing as social media, I'm not exaggerating. That's a term that was created long after I started monkeying around with things like game servers, game message boards, not to mention, computer Unix, Linux systems and all that crap. It's I've been getting in trouble on social media before social media was a thing. And there's a reason for that, folks. It's because there are a lot of pearl clutchers out there. So anyway, when it comes to the internet, don't be a pussy. And perhaps check out smAsho.org. Why? Because of the forUm. So our web forum includes all kinds of different various subjects. If you head to smAsho.org, just scroll down. You'll see this blue link down here. Click on that, and that'll take you to the forum. And I just wanted to give a little tutorial here, as some of our YouTube viewers were wondering about link sharing and so on. Now, you don't have to make a login to use the forum. It's completely free. There's a ton of information there. And when you go to the home page, and let's go back to the home page, as I was on a specific section of the forum. When you go to the home page of the forum, it's just smashomash.com/forum, by the way. If you want to just type it in, you can do that too. So we've got a section on cosmology. And here we've got Mary just put up a post about Earth's geomagnetic dynamo something. There's a general science forum, one about the sun specifically, and a free-for-all section, right? So let's talk about the sun section real quick. And again, this is just a demonstration of how to use this. If you see an article in here that you want linked, you can simply, if you're reading the article, for instance, now let's say if I say, "Thanks, Terry," I say, "Thanks, Terrence," and then I submit, right? So there's that. When you do that, that creates a link. If you click on this right here, you see that number 2 there? That's the second post in this thread. If you click that, it will take you to that post. But if you take the URL is now that specific post. So if you open a new tab and you put that URL in, it's going to take you directly to that post. So if you have a thread that's, 16 pages long or something like that, and you have specific posts that you'd like to do, or, share or view again or whatever, right? That's all you do. So for instance, going back to the home page here, and this is common. I basically have left this all on stock settings. I rolled this out long before it looked the way I wanted it to look. It's pretty crude, but it's just a basic theme. So almost reaching 300 logins now. If you want to contribute, you do have to log in, but you can still view all of this stuff without doing so. So let's take a look here at another one. Farmers are delivering food, for instance, right? If you want to share that link, just click on that number down there at the bottom after you're done reading the article, and then that'll bring you back to the top of the article. And again, it puts the URL in. So there's the URL. And once again, just to demonstrate, it's taken me directly to that post. So even though it's 16 pages long, you get the idea. So for instance, one of the good pages that you may want to show people is, I think, on page 6. I know there's one about elderberries, as well as L-lysine, an essential amino acid, which lots of people take as a preventative measure. I think it's page 6. Thanks again to Jess Ewing, who shared a Facebook post. I'm looking for a specific thing here, folks. Anyway, there is an article in here about elderberries, as well as one about L-lysine, if you've never heard of that. Don't go buy all of it, just go buy some. It's L-lysine, the essential amino acid. And it's good for various reasons. It's involved in the metabolism of hormones, enzymes, and antibodies. So anyway, I just wanted to share a quick tutorial there on what the content is and how to use forums perhaps more effectively. So go check that out if you haven't. We've got massive repositories of information about a whole bunch of cutting-edge stuff that you may have never known about, and is kind of important as far as the current state of affairs with science. So anyway, check that out. Here ends this live stream. Look for the daily space weather coming soon. Thanks everybody who tuned in, and look for more content coming shortly.